and crush glass. Glass crushing. Next is mixed proportion and next we move to the result and discussion. From the result and discussion, we can get the characterization of glass powder. From the graph, the particle size distribute of glass powder show uniformly graded distribution curve. RGP show finer particle size distribution than cement and fly ash with a specific surface area. RGP also show an angular shaped particle with the heterogeneous distribution. RGP consisted of shaped edge particles, and RGP also is a typical amorphous materials as no clear crystalline peak could be noticed. Next point is fresh concrete properties. The slump test was conducted to determine the consistency and workability of control concrete with RGP. The table shows the control concrete which is 10 RGP and 20 RGP mixture achieve the denser slump. Meanwhile, 30 RGP show slump above 100 mm. The additional of RGP exhibited an increase in hardened density with time. Next, hardened concrete properties. From this point, we can get the variation of compressive strength. The compressive strength for RGP was tested at 7, 20, 28 and 56 days. As you can see on the graph, the control concrete show better compressive strength than RGP and fly ash. In day 7, RGP concrete had a negative impact on early edge strength due to the delay in pozzolanic reaction. All concrete achieved the characteristic strength of 32 MPa at 28 days, except 20 RGP and 30 RGP. In day 56, 10 RGP concrete achieved 96% strength of the control concrete beside 20 RGP and 30 RGP. Concrete obtained 82 and 64%. Next point is flexural and tensile strength of concrete. The flexural and tensile strength of the concrete with RGP as a partial cement substitute were conducted at 28 days. The additional of RGP did not show any significant effect on the flexural strength as all results obtained were within 10% of the control concrete. Recycled glass has the potential to reach long-term effect. The long-term effect can be attributed to the enhance the binding. Tensile strength show a decreasing trend as the RGP replacement level increase was in the range of 9 to 12%. Next, rapid chloride permeability test, which is RCPT, was conducted on the concrete cylinder at 28 and 56 days to evaluate the resistance of concrete. to chloride ion penetration. RGP show lower chloride permeability compared to that of control concrete, which is the RCPT value of 10 RGP and 20 RGP were 5,152 and 4,850 columns, respectively, at 28 days. The RCPT value of 30 RGP were found to be 24% and 53% less permeable than that of control concrete, which is the main concrete. Permeability of 10 RGP and 20 RGP concrete was moderate in category, where 30 RGP show very low permeability concrete. Next, relative water requirement. The test mortar with RGP was required to have sufficient water to achieve a flow within plus minus 3 unit of control mortar. As you can see on the table, we can conclude the relative water requirement to control mortar was 100%, 99.2%, and 98.8% for RGP, for 10 RGP, 20 RGP, and 30 RGP. Water requirement decreased as the RGP replacement level increased. RGP also does not absorb much water as cement does, and hence has a lower water requirement. For the last point is relative strength. A comprehensive strength test of mortar was conducted to assess the relative strength of RGP mortar bar at 28 days. As you can see on the graph, 10 RGP mortar gained the highest relative strength, which was about 75% of the control mortar. An increase in the glass replacement affected negatively in relative strength. The 20 RGP and 30 RGP mortar achieved a relative strength of 61% and 59%. The reason behind the reduction of strength in higher percentage can be due to inadequate cement paste available in the mixture to assist bonding within the mix. For the conclusion, green concrete having reduction environmental impact with reduction of the concrete industry CO2 emissions by 30%. This research studies the use of crushed recycled glass powder as a particle cement replacement in concrete. Having less water affinity and a smooth surface, RGP improved the workability of concrete. A reduction in fresh density was observed with the addition of RGP due to the lower specific gravity of the glass powder. Long-term curing and lower particle size distribute are mandatory for the successful use of RGP with higher replacement level without compromising the strength. Last but not least, the outcome of this research aim to contribute towards sustainable development by reducing the consumption of cement as well as the reduction of glass waste going to landfill.